Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and acting immediately. Check that the machine uses UEFI with Secure Boot and that you have admin credentials. This matters because Secure Boot decisions are made in firmware. Once done, create a recovery USB, an export BitLocker, or disk encryption keys so you can unlock drives if needed. Make sure you have vendor-signed drivers or boot modules ready. Lacking them is often why Secure Boot blocks startup. This prevents data loss and enables safe firmware changes. Next, you modify firmware and bootloader entries to restore a signed boot path. Reboot into UEFI and confirm boot mode matches installed OS. Mismatches cause a black screen. Once in settings, remove stale or unsigned boot entries and set Windows Boot Manager or the distribution shim as primary because Secure Boot validates the first loader it finds. If loaders lack signatures, enroll platform keys or switch to setup mode briefly to allow key enrollment. This ensures the firmware will accept your. Finally, you verify and finalize the Secure Boot state. Re-enable Secure Boot only after keys and boot entries are correct, then reboot and watch post. Early messages reveal whether firmware hands off to a signed loader. If the black screen persists, sign the kernel or driver yourself or switch to a vendor-signed shim because unsigned binaries will be blocked. If nothing changes, reset firmware to defaults or test with a known good signed USB stick to isolate hardware versus configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.